Good morning, this is Gold Silver Investigator on March 1st, 2012, and today I want to talk about yesterday's intervention in the gold and silver markets. As you're aware, Bernanke was talking yesterday, and at the start of his speech at 10 o'clock, gold started to sell off, as did silver, and we got a large drop. Initially, we off 20-30 points as he started to speak, and then the algorithms kicked in and took gold down considerably more, so that we're now sitting at the 1715 mark today, and at one stage we were about $90 lower yesterday than where we'd actually been sitting. And basically you're seeing the same with silver. Also a big drop yesterday, just as Bernanke started to talk. If we go to the 15-minute chart, here we go, you can see 10 o'clock down. So what did Bernanke really say? Bernanke said that basically, based on employment levels looking better right now, that they didn't foresee the need for quantitative easing at this stage so much, and so therefore gold and silver dropped down somewhat. However, while he was saying this, the ECB lent $712.4 billion to the member banks of the Eurozone, and that happened yesterday. You can Google it and see that $712.4 billion of loans at low interest rates were provided to the Eurozone member banks. So there was massive liquidity going on yesterday, and that's why if you look at the stock market and we look at the Dow Jones index, you're not seeing an equivalent drop down here. Yeah, I mean, with gold at 1800 and dropping 100 points, 90 points or so, you'd expect to see 600-700 points off of here, comparison wise. So we'd be down around the 12,400 level on the Dow Jones, or if you looked at the S&P 500, would be down, I don't know, let's say 13, 20, 30 or so level, but you don't see that. So really, yeah, the stock markets, yeah, are seeing a liquidity, and so basically what we had yesterday was intervention in gold and silver to keep the prices down, to keep the volatility low, because we were sitting at a high, at a monthly high for gold and for silver. We were about to break out through 1800 and probably about to go through 40 in silver, and so this is a very timely move. You know, it has to be planned in order to have brought gold and silver down, and we can see that also in the US dollar index. You'd expect to have seen a far higher increase in the US dollar based on the amount of drop that we had in gold and silver, and also crude is very sensitive to liquidity, and you can see oil here. Did I say silver? I meant to say oil. Has been going up here and not taken down at all because because of liquidity injection. So basically what we saw yesterday was intervention in the gold and silver markets to paint them to look worse than they are, and to try to keep enthusiasm muted for gold and silver. Now looking at support levels on silver, let's go to the daily chart, not the 60-minute chart, that would be better. We've got a big support level here at the 34 and a half, down to the lower level here, 33 You can see this if I drew a line here at the bottom here, 33. There's a large support area there, and basically I'm keeping hold of my gold and silver. I'm not worried about this takedown here at all, especially knowing that so much liquidity is being put into the Eurozone right now. So that's basically that's the story for today. Please, if you'd like more analysis, please join our mailing list at goldsilverinvestigator.com, providing really important information about gold and silver all the time. Thank you very much, and have a good day.